Hello, I'm Zuhal from the CDAC data team here to talk with you about the visuals section of DebtWatch. Visuals gives you the ability to build graphical presentations of debt issuance data based on a series of dates and debt characteristics that you will select. Visuals allows CDAC's debt data to be viewed in four ways, including cumulative debt by month, total debt by year, calendar of proposed issuance, and calendar of recent debt issues. The default view for each of the four visuals includes a filter applied to only display debt issues that are not marked-throughs obligors, because if left unfiltered, the visual will double count the amount of debt issued, once for the marked-throughs authority and once for the obligor. Each visual includes additional filters that can be applied. Once filters are selected, click the Apply button at the bottom of the Filters menu to display the filtered debt data. Clicking the Reset button will clear the selected filters and return the visual to the default view, once again with no marked-throughs obligor debt included. The visuals can also be printed and exported by clicking the appropriate buttons. Cumulative debt by month includes a line graph of debt data that has been sold in the current calendar year. Below the line graph is a table listing the cumulative numeric totals in each calendar month for the current calendar year. There are 7 filters that can be used on the cumulative debt issuance by month visual, including 2 additional calendar years or averages, as well as filters for debt type, purpose, issuers, and counties. Total debt issuance by year includes a bar chart of debt data sold in the current calendar year. Below the bar chart is a table listing the numeric totals displayed in the visual for the current calendar year. There are 14 filters that can be used on the total debt issuance by year visual, including up to 20 calendar years or averages, debt type, purpose, issuers, and counties, and also filters for maturity, sale type, including private placement, tax status, types of credit enhancement, state or local issuers, and labeled debt. The calendar of proposed issuance displays a bar chart of proposed debt issuance that has not reported final sale information to CDAC. The default view for this visual shows all future months of proposed debt issuance. Below the bar chart is a table displaying the numeric monthly total of proposed debt for the current calendar year. There are 9 filters that can be used on the calendar of proposed debt issuance visual, including a filter to show debt issues for which the sale date has passed, state or local issuers, counties, maturity, private placement, and purpose. The calendar of recent debt issues provides a bar chart showing monthly totals of debt data sold in the current calendar year. Below the bar chart is a table displaying the numeric total debt issued in each calendar month for the current calendar year. There are 9 filters that can be used on the calendar of recent debt issues visual, including state or local issuers, counties, maturity, private placement, purpose, and refunding activity. And remember, the tabular data presented with any of the visuals may be downloaded for your own offline analysis or presentation.